Dear students, today's lecture is Social Issues and the Environment from Environmental Science and Engineering, delivered, delivered by Dr. S. Akbar, Department of MCA, Government College of Engineering, Bodinakno. Contents of the presentation is ozone layer depletion and nuclear accident and Holocaust. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer is a layer in Earth's atmosphere containing relatively high concentration of O3. It is mainly found in lower portion of the stratosphere from the approximately 20 to 30 kilometers above the Earth. The ozone layer is often referred as the umbrella of life because it protects life from Earth from harmful UV rays. The Thompson unit is the most common unit for measuring ozone concentration. One Thompson unit is the number of molecules of ozone that would be required to create a layer of pure ozone in 0.01 nanometer thick at the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius and the pressure of 1 atmosphere. Over the Earth's surface, the ozone layer's average thickness is about 300 Thompson unit, or layer that is 3 millimeters thick. Formation and causes of ozone hole. Ultraviolet radiation less than 242 nanometer decomposes the molecular oxygen into atomic oxygen by photolytic decomposition. The atomic oxygen rapidly reacts with the molecular oxygen to form ozone. Chemicals such as bromine and chlorofluorocarbons from refrigerators and aerosol propellants release chlorine that combines with ozone and destroys ozone molecules. As a result is thinning of ozone layer, generally called ozone hole. Thus only oxygen is left in the ozone layer and there is nothing to stop the UV rays. Effects of ozone depletion. Ozone depletion in the stratosphere will result in more UV radiation reaching the Earth, especially UVB. The range is 290 to 320 nanometer. Easily absorbed of UV rays by thick skin causes of skin cancer and affect the lens and cornea of eye. Phytoplanktons are sensitive to UV exposure. Ozone depletion will result in decrease in their population, thereby affecting the population of zooplankton to affect the whole aquatic food chain. It contributes in global warming. If ozone depletion continues, the temperature around the world may be rise even up to 5 degrees. Control of ozone layer depletion. Reduce or replace the usage of CFC and other alternative coolants which are less damaging has to be promoted. Control of deforestation will ensure slightly higher percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere. Proper maintenance of air conditioning and refrigerating units should be regularly checked. Next we move on to nuclear accident and the Holocaust. The release of large amount of nuclear energy and radioactive products into the atmosphere. Nuclear energy was researched by man as an alternative source of energy compared to fossil fuels. Though greatly beneficial to mankind, this form of energy has many problems. When accidents happens at nuclear power plants, massive radioactivity is released. A single nuclear accident causes loss of human life, long-term illness like cancer, thyroid disorders, tumors, and the destruction of property on a large scale. Nuclear holocaust. The English word holocaust derived from the Greek term holocaustos, meaning completely bad. It is commonly defined as great destruction, resulting in extensive loss of life, especially by fire. Examples for the Holocaust: the Mile Island, USA, Chernobyl, Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster are important. Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Disposal of nuclear waste also remains a major problem. Nuclear weapons used in war case holocaust. How to control and measure. It is suitable to precaution to avoid the accident. Constant monitoring the radiations level. Check and control the measures done by Atomic Energy Regulatory Board.